For many years, companies have been measuring and reporting their results in mainly financial terms. This is the accepted measure of a company's success, and it is the measure by which the managers and employees are primarily rewarded. But does that really measure the true value a company provides, not only to the shareholders, but to the society in which it operates? At LafargeHolcim, the world's largest building materials provider, we decided that we wanted a more complete picture on the value we provide to all stakeholders. To do so, the natural and socio-economic positive and negative impacts of our activities are translated into financial terms. Working with KPMG, we developed a methodology that reconciles the three pillars of sustainability, economic, environmental, and social, in the Integrated Profit and Loss Statement, the IP&L. The statement takes the company's retained financial value as the starting point, attributes a monetary value based on available studies to our most material positive and negative impacts, and then adds and subtracts these figures to arrive at an overall value figure. But how does it really work? What, for example, are the environmental and societal impacts of emitting CO2? Or what is the benefit to society of using waste as an alternative fuel? Scientists estimated the global warming effect caused by CO2 and calculated a cost to society for every ton emitted. Also based on scientific studies, waste that is averted from landfill avoids an environmental cost, which can be used to calculate the societal benefit of valorizing waste as an alternative fuel or raw material. Social scientists have calculated that money invested to provide low-income housing benefits society more than twice the money spent. So what does the IP&L tell us? The IP&L confirms that our integrated value is higher than the financial value retained in the company. In particular, our contribution to local economies through the multiplied effects of salaries, direct and indirect taxes, and social investment is significant. As expected, CO2 emissions have the largest negative impact, and it underlines the need for the company to mitigate this in its own operations and with developing products and services which help reduce the emissions of its customers. So what is the benefit to the company of producing an IP&L? At LafargeHolcim, we believe the IP&L is a valuable tool, which allows us to demonstrate to increasingly socially responsible investors and employees a fuller picture of our performance, and provides an easy and consistent way to measure progress over time. It also provides a radar to identify potential risks and opportunities for the business and to preempt change instead of reacting to it. Furthermore, we plan to use IP&L to enhance decision-making processes, notably to quantify in monetary terms the social and environmental impact of proposed investments and prioritize according to the return based on the integrated value created. As we believe this is the way to progress in a collective effort to have companies create value for all stakeholders, we intend to share, use, and improve the IP&L across industries.